Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey YouTubers, how are you guys? This is Newton here. Welcome to my channel Light Programmer. Today's topic is classes in Python. I would like to explain with an example. If you want to build an apartment, you need to have a blueprint. So here in the code, object is resemblance to apartment and blueprint resemblance to classes. All right. So let's go with the Visual Studio. I hope you can see my Visual Studio code. Class defines begins with a class keyword. So here is the class and the class name of the class hello. What the class will do. All right. So just for now, I'm going to create like this is the hello class and designation as a programmer. And I have created a function inside a class which helps me to print hello light program. So I'm going to run this print statements, three of them. So after running, as you can see over here, uh, programmer, what is the designation over here? Programmer hello dot, you have to assign like that. uh, you just have to call dot class, you just have to call by class name and the variable that you have assigned, so that you will get the output from it. And whenever you print, what is the greet over here, it's a function. As you can see over here, this is a function. So if you print hello dot underscore underscore dog, it's a built-in function. If you call that, it will print whatever the string that you have designed over here. Means like you can give a overview what it is going to do. All right, and then we are going to go to creating an object in Python. And it is also used to create a new objects instance. And it is similar to like function calling. If you want to create an object, so I have created here, as you can see, h1 I have created hello, like I said, that function call. After running the program, I'll explain this. As you can see, first thing is first, it's an object. I have created an object h1. All right. So I'm calling inside an object. I have created a function greet, so I'm calling that here, so that it is printing that hello light program. All right. So constructions in Python, we'll go to the next part, construction in Python. So I have created a probability class. I'll run this first and then explain to you. Okay. After run, you got the probability of an event 50. I have created a probability over here. As you can see, there is a favorable outcomes I have kept as F and total outcomes as T. In mathematics, probability is a formula of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay. So I have taken inside the constructor. This is meant by constructor, whatever you passed inside the brackets. And we have designed like that. Only two arguments are passing or else none. As you can see over here, I have kept as 0 0 as a default one. I will explain in future. And I have created a function inside the probabilities for the output. As you know, the formula favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. All right. So After this, I'm creating a instance of the class, and then I am assigning to p1. Now p1 acts as an object. So after creating you, we are calling the event function. It will print this outcomes. All right, there are two arguments we need to pass. Basically this will take both of that, but this is I have defaulted by 0, and this I have defaulted by 1. I'm sorry, this should be 1 because we are dividing it by 1, right? If you don't give any of that, for example, it will throw an error. It won't throw an error because we have given the default things over here. So uh, so we can delete the attributes. All right, for example, for this example I would like to delete a attribute. All right, there is a total outcome of an attribute I have created over here. I'm going to delete this in this object p2. All right, if I run this, as you can see there is no attribute because I have deleted. Del is a keyword to delete any of the attribute or an object. All right, so I have, as you can see over here, there is a total outcome, but when I deleted it after running this event, as you can see there is no total outcome. That is the one. So I'm going to delete event. I mean, I'm going to delete a function inside the class. So event function, I'm going to delete it. Let's see what it is going to happen. As you can see there is no attribute of event. As you can see there is no attribute of event. It means there is no event, but what we are seeing is that event is already there, but event has been deleted before after running this. Okay, so that's it for this. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and like, share, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon. Thank you.
Zombie apocalypse.